next video. Moving on, I'm going to show you a sample one I recently did. Now, you're supposed to do these 5 short, simple tips. Number 1. Always choose inspiration from the best. Getting inspiration from something miles beyond your range can get you a drastic change in your artwork. Also, there are a lot of these in Pinterest. Step 2. Don't try to fit the norms. Think out of the box. When you observe these pictures, you can easily say they vary from each other. So, I added a lot of things I liked: bright colors, models, Instagram templates, quotes. Number 3. Don't lose hope easily. While drawing midway, you might feel it won't reach the benchmark. Only judge your picture when you have finished the process. Number 4. Don't rush. You might want to quickly end the whole process in a jiffy. Pull yourself together and try to do as calmly as possible. Number 5. Enjoy the process. You're drawing this picture while sacrificing your time. It won't matter to the people who has art as anyone's passion. Trying to make it worth of every single second you're spending. For today's video, this is all I want to say. Thank you and bye.